If I ask you what is the cube root of 27, you probably would not even blink before saying, "That's easy, it's 3. And if I ask what's the cube root of 64, again you'll instantly say, "It's 4. But if I ask what is the cube root of 29 or the cube root of 131, you might pause, scratch your head, and say, I am not sure. That's because these are not perfect cubes. But don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you an amazing ancient trick to estimate cube roots of non-perfect number in lightning speed. So stick to the screen like a lizard sticks to a wall all the way till the end, because I'll also show you when not to use this method and how to avoid the mistakes that almost everyone makes. Alright, let us start first with the cube root of 68. Step 1. Write down the cubes of all the numbers from 1 to 10 like this. Now find the perfect cube number which is closest to 68. Here it is 64, and its cube root is 4. Write this here so we know our answer is 4 plus some small fraction. Now take this 64 and subtract it from 68. That gives you 4. Put that in the numerator here. Now take the square of this 4, which is 16, and since we are finding a cube root, multiply it by 3. That gives you 48. Put that here in the denominator. Now simplifying this, we get 4 over 48, which is 1 over 12, which gives 0.083. Now add this to 4 to get 4.083, and that is our answer. The actual cube root of 68 is about 4.082. So our estimate is super close and much faster than a calculator. Now let us try another example. The cube root of 58. The cube number which is close to 58 is 64, and its cube root is 4. So write it here. Now take this 58 and subtract it from 64 to get -6, and write it here. Now look carefully. Here we will write minus instead of plus because 58 is less than 64. Now take the square of 4, which is 16, and multiply by 3 to get 48. 6 over 48 is 1 over 8, or 0.125. And subtracting this from 4, we get 3.875. So our estimated root is 3.875, and the actual value is 3.87. Again, it is incredibly close, isn't it? Now let us try the cube root of 29. The perfect cube number that is just around 29 is 27, and its cube root is 3. Write it here. Now subtract 27 from 29 to get 2, and multiply the square of this 3, which is 9, by 3 to get 27, and write it here. 2 over 27 is 0.074. Now add that to 3, and you get 3.074. The actual cube root of 29 is about 3.0723. Once again closed, right? One more, we will do this with lightning speed. Cube root of 131. The perfect cube which is close to 131 is 125, and its cube root is 5. Subtract 125 from 131 to get 6. Now multiply the square of 5, which is 25, by 3 to get 75. 6 over 75 is 0.08. Adding this to 5, we get 5.080. The real cube root is 5.078. Nearly perfect. Alright, now here is where you need to be careful. Let us estimate the cube root of 2 using this method. The cube root which is close to 2 is 1, and its root is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Multiplying this with the square of 1 and 3, we get 3. 1 over 3 is 0.33, so our estimate is 1.33. But the real cube root of 2 is about 1.25, so we are a bit off. Now to improve this, we need to repeat this process using our estimate. So take 1.33 here, cube it to get 2.35. Write it here. Now 2.35 minus 2 is -0.35. Now multiply the square of 1.33 by 3 to get 5.28. -0.35 over 5.28 is about 0.066. Subtracting 0.066 from 1.33, we get 1.264. Boom! Much better, right? Now here is some homework for you. Solve this using this method and write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to support what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, I will drop another amazing math trick just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.